Double-click on downloaded file. Click on New to create a new label. A new pop-up will appear. Here define width and height of the label. You should put 24 mm for 1 inch, 48 mm for 2 inch, 72 mm for 3 inch, and 96 mm for 4 inch. Here you can also change the printer density. However, we will recommend you to leave it to default. Click OK if your dimensions of the label is correct. You have multiple input options in the left panel like text, barcode, QR code, image, shape, icon. Click on text to insert a text box in your label. Now right panel will appear where you can change the properties of selected component. You can select field type as constant, serial, date, time, etc. In the value field on right side, input the value which you want to print. You can drag and drop these components wherever you want within label. You can also change font, size, and other properties from the right panel. To insert a barcode, select barcode from the left panel. Now right panel has properties of barcode. You can change the value, size, code type from here. To insert a QR code, select QR code from the left panel. Now right panel has properties of QR code. You can input value of QR and change the size from the right panel. You can also input a shape like line, box and rectangle from left panel. You can change its size and move it anywhere within label. You can select a field and use rotate function to rotate it by 90 degree. You can use align function to align the field. Click on menu then file and select port setup. Here USB is already selected. You can click on COM and select outgoing COM port if you want to print by Bluetooth connection. Select TCP and select PosBox printer or IP address if you want to print over Wi-Fi. In print options, you can select alignment of the label and also define cutter functionality. This will work if your printer has auto cutter function. You can click on Test Print to print one label. To print multiple labels, click on Print and put required numbers in copies. To print a series, select the field and change field type to serial and select change type as increment. Now, when you print multiple copies, it will print incremental value in next print. Like here, if I am printing 5 copies, then it will print values from 1 to 5. You can click on Save Locally to save the label. Always save labels in .txt format. You can click on Open to open existing label. Hope this video was helpful.